Amid the rubble of a shattered city, a little girl stood alone, lost, hungry, and terrified. Her world had collapsed, but she remained standing. And then a soldier approached, not with a weapon, but with outstretched hands and a smile. He gave her warmth in the bitter cold, a piece of chocolate, a shared moment, a silent promise that she hadn't been forgotten. For a moment the world paused. It was no longer soldier and civilian, just human and human. He led her through the ruins, carefully, gently. Behind every step, destruction. Ahead of them, a glimmer of hope. She looked up, and he smiled. Maybe she reminded him of someone. Maybe he just knew what was right. This photo captured more than a moment. It captured what war often tries to erase: empathy, dignity, the enduring human spirit. We don't know their names, but we remember their gesture. One soldier, one child, and one timeless act of humanity.